Howdy folks, stick around because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to enter for a chance to win a pair of sunglasses just like these. Howdy folks, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I am going to do a product review on these, a pair of sunglasses that I've really found to work great value for the price and lifetime warranty. So what do you say we get to it? Alrighty folks, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool. Also, don't forget to check out my website, poolschooler.com. Again, poolschooler.com. It's full of more exclusive, members-only content that will help you save even more money servicing your pool yourself. Alrighty, so like I said, this is a product review of these sunglasses. These are the Shady Rays Captain in the Blackout Incognito color. And in my line of work, when you're out in the sun all the time, it is important that you protect both your body, your skin. Also, it's important that I protect my eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays, both A and B. Especially as I've gotten older, I'm now at the time of this video, 61 years old, and I've been researching something called macular degeneration, and that's basically where your eyes, you start to go blind, and it's just done through age. But there's a lot of vitamins that can help that. But also, one of the things that contributes to macular degeneration is, you guessed it, UVA and UVB sun rays. So in order to protect my eyes from that, I need a good pair of sunglasses that fill certain criteria, and that's what I'm going to talk about with these wonderful sunglasses made by Shady Rays. Okay, so as I said, this is a product review of the Shady Rays sunglasses, two in particular, two styles that I really like, and I like blade style sunglasses, the Captains and the X series. The two that they sent me are in the Incognito Blackout or Blackout Incognito lens style, okay? But they are blade style sunglasses, which are my favorite. So I've got some criteria for sunglasses and what I look for, again, to protect my eyes. Number one is style. I know that sounds weird because I should be thinking protection first, right? But style, okay? Styles are important to me. My favorite style of sunglasses, as you can tell, are the blade style sunglasses. My wife actually likes the way I look in those most as well. And so Shady Rays has a few different styles in this blade style sunglasses. The two that they sent me, again, are the Captain and the X series. Now, if you notice, the X series is a little different looking. Okay, it's a little more streamlined. It's a little more diminutive. The earpieces are a little skinnier. Personally, I actually like the Captains a little better because they feel a little more sturdy, but these are also pretty durable as well. I've had these sunglasses now for about 3.5 weeks, and I have worn them extensively and exclusively, not just while doing my pools, but while doing yard work outside of my house, and also while being at the beach on vacation. And they have been very sturdy, and I've never felt like, oh, they're gonna break. I gotta be super careful with them. So I do like the styles of the blade style sunglasses. Shady Rays has a tremendous amount of variety when it comes to styles. Do visit their website. It's going to come across the screen here again, shadyrays.com. Once again, shadyrays.com. They have styles for men, for women, for youth. They have snow goggles, ski goggles, safety glasses, a whole wealth of different stuff. Check out their website. And when you go to their website, as you start scrolling, typically a pop-up window will pop up and said, if you want to get 20% off your initial purchase, enter your email address, get on their email list, and they will give you a 20% discount on your first purchase from their site. So that's a pretty good deal as well. If you don't see that little pop-up, I just was there today. I scrolled down all the bottom, and on the bottom left-hand corner of their homepage, there's a little thing, get 20% off on your first order. So do that also in case you want to get 20% off, okay? So with these sunglasses being about $54 as of the time that I filmed this video, 20% off, that's not too bad for that first order. So that's a pretty good deal. So style, variety of styles, A+. Number two, fit. This is one that's really iffy. I typically don't like to order sunglasses online because I have a wonky face. I have one ear that's a little lower than the other, and I've got my nose is a little crooked, and so I typically like to try on sunglasses in person because I want to make sure that they don't feel like they're like this on my face. And but obviously I'm willing to take a chance. They sent these to me free of charge, and so I tried them right out of the box. They fit great. I put them on. Whoa, they feel like they were made for my face. Both of them, not just the Captains, but the X series as well, okay? Oh man, I love these sunglasses, they're so good, okay? They come in a sturdy box. They also come in a sleeve, typical of a lot of companies. Sunglasses, they come in a Shady Rays sleeve. It's microfiber. You can use that to clean the lenses of your sunglasses. And but as far as fit, they fit great. I love the fit of these, okay? I'm not constantly adjusting them, even when I've worn them for long periods in time. I'm not constantly doing this where I used to do that a lot, okay? Also, my eyelashes do not hit the lens, which is really important as well. So fit, A+. Number 3, comfort. These, as I said, I've worn them for about 3.5 weeks, both at the beach, doing yard work, and doing my pools. And I can tell you this, I have no discomfort at all in wearing them. Sometimes some of the blade style sunglasses are really tight here and they squeeze your head or they hurt right here. I had a pair of sunglasses I wore when I took a trip to Stockholm, and after about 5 hours of wearing them, boy, the temples and behind above my ears where they go around on your ear, the ear bar, man, did they hurt. These 10 hours a day, no problem. And they're very lightweight. These are a little heavier than the X series and they feel a little more durable, but no discomfort at all. Still very light, still very comfortable, and they tend to stay on your head really well also. So comfort, A+. Durability, like I said, I took them to the beach. I've worn them doing my pools. I haven't scratched the lenses yet, and I'm pretty brutal on lenses. I would assume you probably shouldn't take your sunglasses and grind them in the sand. But from what I understand, they have a scratch-resistant coating or scratch-resistant lens. I don't know if that means scratch-proof, but hey, it's still a pretty good, like I said, you should always take care of your sunglasses a little bit. I mean, you don't want to abuse them, right? And to tell you the truth, as far as value, again, as I said, when it comes to the filming of this video, these two pairs ran about $54 a piece. Now, they have more expensive pairs. I saw some on their website that were upwards of $75. But to me, it's worth it because they're very durable, they're very comfortable, there's lots of styles, and they have a warranty. They have a lifetime warranty on any manufacturer's defects. And then they have a 2-year warranty on if they're broken, if they get broken for any reason, or they get lost or stolen. Just save your original receipt, your original purchase receipt, and I do think they have a small processing fee. But, you know, again, for this price, a 2-year warranty against breakage and loss, that's pretty darn good. Like I said, I've bought dollar store sunglasses, $15 pairs of sunglasses, $20 a pair of sunglasses. I'm lucky if they last me a year before they break or crack. The dollar stores, sometimes I'm lucky if they last for 2 weeks. So for me, for $54 plus or minus, and a 2-year basically unlimited warranty against loss, breakage, or stealing, that's worth it to me. So A+ on that. Now, there's one more thing I want to talk about, and this to me is a criteria that's very, very important, especially when it comes to a space like sunglasses or eyewear, or protective eyewear especially, okay? And that is customer service. There are so many brands or manufacturers of sunglasses out there on the market right now, and they all have a lot of cool styles, they have a lot of different options and stuff like that, and some of them have celebrities endorsed and all that. But to me, something's got to set them apart, and to me, what really sets a company apart, especially in this space, or any space for that matter, is customer service. And I can tell you this, with Shady Rays, I reached out to them. I saw their ad on a Facebook, on my social media on Facebook, and I clicked on the link and I looked at their styles, and I looked at especially their blade styles. I'm like, wow, those look pretty good. And looked at the warranty. I'm like, hey, I really like this company. I like their styles. I'm going to reach out to them and see if they'd allow me to do a product review on a couple of their sunglasses. And so I did. It was late on a Friday night, and I emailed them, and obviously they were closed for the weekend. And I got an autoresponder email back saying, hey, thank you for your email. We're closed for the weekend. We'll get back to you first thing Monday morning. And sure enough, when I woke up Monday morning, there was an email in my email box from the marketing director and the company themselves. And they said, we would be delighted to send you a couple of free pairs of the sunglasses, a pair of the Captains and the X series for you to do a product review on. Just send us your address and we'll get them out to you. And they also said that they would send me those sunglasses, the Captains, for the free drawing as well. If you're watching this video now and there's no mention of the drawing at the beginning of the video or at the end of this video, or you missed the deadline for the drawing, obviously there's no way to enter it, but I wanted to throw that in there because they were more than willing to give me a pair of sunglasses to one lucky winner of a drawing of the Captain sunglasses, plus shipping and everything. So that's pretty darn cool. Now here's a contrast that. Let me compare that to my wife's situation. She had bought a pair of sunglasses. She really liked, lightweight, supposedly had a lifetime warranty against breakage, even from third-party purchases, and she had them for about 3 months, and lo and behold, one of the earpieces broke. So she emailed them, and long story short, she literally was emailing them constantly, every day or every other day, constantly getting auto responses, all these cute little comments, all these cute little auto responders that were really cutesy and all that, and it just frustrated her like crazy. 3 months later, she finally got a replacement pair from them, but only after she emailed them and threatened them with me, basically saying, my husband has a YouTube channel that has over 45,000 subscribers, and he's about ready to go on and talk about your company and how poor your customer service is, and to say, don't buy from this company. I'm not going to mention the company. Do not ask me. I will not tell you. They did finally, after 3 months, finally send her a pair of sunglasses to replace them. But that's ridiculous. Contrast that to Shady Rays. I had those sunglasses in my hands in less than a week from when I first emailed them for my product review. So to the people at Shady Rays, thank you so much for having exceptional customer service. You guys rock. So my conclusion on the Shady Rays sunglasses: A+ all around, style, comfort, fit, durability, price, warranty. Oh, one last one: field of vision and vision. There is no visual distortion in these sunglasses whatsoever. Put them on, it doesn't change it at all. I've had expensive sunglasses that distort my vision, especially the curved blade style, and this don't distort the vision at all with either pair that I've gotten so far. Every facet of their product line is an A+ in my opinion, and so I can highly endorse and recommend that you check out ShadyRays.com. Again, ShadyRays.com. Check out their website, check out their glasses, and you would be very, very pleased with the product that you get. I cannot say enough good things about Shady Rays sunglasses. Alrighty folks, so there you have it. That is my product review on the Shady Rays sunglasses, specifically the Captains and the X series in the blackout incognito. I hope it made sense. If you have any specific questions about the sunglasses themselves, about their products and things like that, please go to the Shady Rays website at ShadyRays.com and go to their Contact Us tab and contact them directly with any questions about their product line, their warranties, or things like that. If you have any questions about my experience with the Shady Rays or anything when it comes to pool school, please feel free to email me, or you can email me directly. My email address is going to come across the bottom of the screen. It is kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Or, and I did this out of order, you can leave a comment in the comment section below this video. Again, don't forget to check out the ShadyRays.com website, and don't forget to check out my membership website, poolschooler.com, for more money-saving exclusive content. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And until we meet again, remember, have fun, be safe, and always, always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Alrighty folks, so as promised at the beginning of this video, this is the section of the video where I'm going to tell you how you can enter for a chance to win a pair of the Captain Shady Rays sunglasses just like these in the blackout incognito lens style. Okay, so there's a couple stipulations for the drawing. So I want to go over those with you really quick. Number one, you must live in the continental United States. We're not going to ship overseas, so you live outside of the continental United States, please don't enter because you have to have a mailing address and have the ability for us to ship the sunglasses to you in the continental US. Shady Rays is covering the cost of the sunglasses plus shipping and handling, so you have to be in the continental United States. So please don't enter if you live overseas. All right. You do not need to be a subscriber to my channel, although I wish you would subscribe to my channel, so that way you can be kept abreast of other product reviews I do, or if I have any specials come up, or any of my videos on how to care for your pool yourself. Okay. So again, but you don't have to be a subscriber. Okay. Also, the contest deadline. This is important. Okay. Contest deadline is Saturday, September 30th. At midnight, or 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, September 30th of 2023. So if you're watching this and it's beyond that date, please don't say, hey, can I still get into the drawing? The drawing will have been over by then, okay? So again, contest deadline for entries, Saturday, September 30th, 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Arizona time, which is Mountain Time in America, okay? All right. Next, when you enter by sending me an email, and you can send it to kennypoolschool@gmail.com. The email is going to come across the middle of the screen right here and stay up for a while. kennypoolschool@gmail.com. All right, very important, this next part. When you send me that email entry, you must put on the subject line, and it's going to come across the screen right here, Shady Rays Contest. Shady Rays Contest. If it doesn't have that on there, you will not be entered into the contest, okay? Again, so send it to my email address, kennypoolschool@gmail.com, and in the subject line, you must put in there, Shady Rays Contest, okay? On Sunday, October 1st, I will draw one lucky winner's name. That lucky winner will be notified via email that they had won. At that point, you have to send me your mailing address, okay? I will not share your mailing address with anybody except Shady Rays, and the only reason I'm doing that is to be able to have them ship directly your Captain sunglasses to you that way, okay? So you have to be willing to give me your mailing address so that I can share that with Shady Rays so they can ship your sunglasses to you directly, okay? Everybody else, when you enter originally, I do not need your mailing address. Please do not put your mailing address in there unless I notify you that you are the winner, okay? So again, I hope that all makes sense. I want to wish you all the very best of luck. Again, if you're seeing this video and you're seeing this announcement after the entry deadline and the contest winning deadline, please don't comment or email me that if you can get in on the drawing will have been over. For those of you who enter, like I said, you've got till Saturday, September 30th of 2023 at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. So don't forget to enter, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Remember to put on the subject line, Shady Rays Contest. Good luck to you all, and we'll see you soon.